Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your photos or videos keep opening in the wrong gallery app, it usually means the default app is set incorrectly. This often happens after installing a new gallery app or after a phone update. To fix this, open Settings on your phone. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type Default Apps and search. Now tap on Default Apps from the results. Next, tap on Gallery App or Media App, depending on your phone. Here, you will see all gallery apps installed on your phone. Select the gallery app you want to use as default. Confirm your selection if asked. Once set, all photos and videos will open in this app automatically. You do not need to restart your phone. If you ever want to change it again, repeat the same steps. This method works on most Android phones with small menu differences. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone fixes and settings tips.